Motorola Razr 5G, unlocked, made for US by Motorola, 256GB, 48MP camera, 2020, blush gold. 5 grams, universal unlocked, compatible with all major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint and T-Mobile. Interactive quick view display, stay connected even while the phone is closed with the 2.7-inch gold display, reply to messages, skip songs, get directions, and more. The 48MP camera comes with OIS and quad-pixel technology so that you can capture sharper photos with 4x better low light sensitivity. It also doubles as a selfie camera with the phone flipped closed. Iconic, Pocketable design, the reinvented flip phone returns with a modern twist, crafted with premium materials and a main display that folds in half.
Say hello to the Motorola Razr. When closed, the external display features a robust and unique user interface, so it's easy to stay connected. And when you open Razr, whatever you're doing seamlessly transitions to the larger display that has all the capabilities of a smartphone. If you flip the Razr open 100 times a day, every day, it would take more than 5 years to reach the baseline of our rigorous non-stop flip test. And it features 4 antennas dedicated to 5G, a huge 48-megapixel camera sensor, a battery that lasts all day. With its breakthrough engineering and design, the Razr delivers a totally new and unique experience, completely changing the way we use smartphones.
Please subscribe now our channel for every new